Top 5 Best Home Saunas. Number 5. Lofan Heat Sauna Blanket. This sauna blanket is perfect to take anywhere, as it is easy to fold and carry. You can unpack, repack and set it up within minutes. You need to make sure the unit cools down completely before packing it up. Just 15 to 20 minutes and this whole spa will make you feel energized, as it relieves you from stress. You can sleep in different positions because of its size. Since the material is stretchable, there is no chance your changing positions can cause any steam to leak. You can sleep, read a book or do anything you want while you enjoy this hot steam. The stitching is neat and tamper-proof. Therefore, you can expect a perfect workout while relaxing. Pros. Totally waterproof because of its nice material. Great for outdoors, as you can easily set it up anywhere. Can be used in many different positions. Cons. Comes in only one color gray, which doesn't give it a stylish look. Coming in number 4. SereneLife Sauna Sli Sau 10 SL. You would be happy to have this product if you're looking for a sauna for a single person that offers a good value for money. It feels like heaven when the heater gives the right heat to all parts of the body, especially important points on the back and feet. You can relax and sit, read a book or do whatever you like. You can set the temperature to your comfort level with the remote and the heat gets adjusted quite fast. It is great for rejuvenation after a long day. Regular usage also helps in reducing weight faster as the machine makes you sweat. One more awesome feature is that you can carry it along easily and store it without much hassle. With this sauna, no need to buy any other part, it's a complete package. It may take a bit to understand the setup though. Pros. You can use it anywhere, easy to carry. Heat on the body, especially back, feels nice and mild. Sturdy and good quality material. Cons. There are no instructions and it takes some time to figure out the setup. Coming in number 3. Smartmak Portable Sauna Kit. This is one of the best brands on the market. This portable sauna kit is easy to fold and open and does not require installation. It is compact enough to be transported. With this product, you get to relax and enjoy spa time after a long day. It gives great value for the money and is ideal for family bonding. Also, the product, which has a double-sided zipper, is easy to use, enter and exit without much hassle. The neckline can be adjusted, while the temperature can also be adjusted using the remote control, which works without battery. The home sauna is anti-dry, safe, and reliable to use. The interior is made of waterproof material, making it easy to wipe off and dry. Also, the product has multiple use, from physiotherapy to health care. It effectively removes toxins from the body through low-temperature perspiration. The product relieves stress and helps users lose weight. This home sauna is explosion-proof, anti-dry, leakage-proof, and has a hydropower separation design. However, users are advised not to put essential oil in the steamer to prevent the lid from breaking apart. Pros. Portable, easy to use. Product is versatile. Easy to assemble. Low price tag. Cons. Doesn't get very hot. Coming in number 2. Maxxus Saunas MXJ0601. This is another product we found worthy enough to make our list. The home sauna is so comfortable and easy to use, you won't ever want to leave. Maxxus Sauna features 6 heating panels, 2 on the wall, 1 beneath the bench, 1 on the floorboard, and 1 on each side wall. Besides, the internal control panel, which displays the time functions and the temperature, is easy to use. The product comes with a feet reflexologist central heating system. There is an inner reading lamp and MP3 connection along with inbuilt speakers, all of which ensure you have a fun and memorable sauna experience. Pros. Easy to put together. Has 6 heating panels. Comes with extra features for an enjoyable use. Cons. It is pricey. Coming in number 1. Durasage Lightweight Portable Personal Steam Sauna Spa. This product isn't just about detox and rejuvenation, it goes beyond that to give instant heat, making your whole body feel good and relaxed. The product is portable with a detachable frame, which makes it easy to disassemble for easy storage. Besides, this home sauna is powerful, with an 800 watt steam generator. This provides up to 60 minutes of use. The product comes with a front pocket, hence you can place necessities close by and access them while relaxing in the sauna. Durasage Home Sauna is easy and convenient to use anywhere in your home. The product comes with everything required for an awesome sauna experience. Pros: 2 zippered openings for hands. Easy to assemble. Easy storage. Powerful steam generator. Cons: steamer not visible while inside the sauna. Chair breaks easily.